Oh, it works. That's new. I can turn the camera on and off with this now, whenever I want. I have no idea what I'm doing. I've just got a few nuts and bolts. Gonna make a bike. I managed to stick my fingers to the bike, like you do, and this actually took about 3-4 minutes. I'm trying to pry them off now with a little screwdriver, and I lost sort of a whole load of skin on there, so that was good. Now this is just a little clean up to get rid of the not only the glue but also skin. I know, disgusting, right?
Did you wait too long? Tell him that you love him, but he's already gone, darling. Did you make two wrongs? Know that daddy never made a right before, darling. You were never made to be the judge, darling. He never changed his way for me to budge, darling. It's feeling like a cold, dark winter, the sun still behind the trees. She asked me if I had another minute and I didn't have the heart to leave. One day I'll be everything you ever wanted. Until then I'll be out here fighting like it's nothing. Through the cold dark winter. Or did you say goodbye, knowing damn well everybody gon' die someday? Did you waste my time, knowing damn well we can press rewind one day?